Welcome to Tech Guy channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove pre-installed apps and bloatware from Android phone without root. If you are looking for a way to permanently uninstall or remove pre-installed apps and bloatware from your Android device in an attempt to increase its performance or battery life, here are a few ways to remove pre-installed apps and bloatware from Android. Disabling apps. While this method is the easiest one in the list and it does not require root access, it essentially just disables the app you want instead of uninstalling it and completely removing it from your phone. This means that the app won't run in the background or won't be present in the list of installed apps on your device or appear on the Play Store updates list. However, it will still be present on your device and you can revert the action and enable the app to use it, in case you change your mind in the future. To disable a pre-installed app or bloatware on your Android phone, first, open the Settings app on your device and then click on the Apps option from the menu. Now, click on the app which you want to remove from your phone from the list of installed apps on your device. Proceed with caution as disabling or removing any essential system app from your device might cause any issues with the normal functioning of your Android phone. Once you are in the app page of the app you want to remove from your phone, just click on the Disable option and allow the app to remove all associated data from your device. The app is now disabled from your phone, which basically means that it can no longer be used and will not run in the background. However, it is still stored on your device's memory and you can enable it and start using it whenever you want to by updating it to the latest available version. Alternatively, you can also long press an app and select the Disable option to disable or remove app directly from your home screen or app drawer. Uninstalling pre-installed app or bloatware on your Android phone using ADB. If you want to completely uninstall an app from your Android phone instead of just disabling it, then follow these steps. Note, this method does not require root access, however you need access to a laptop or a PC to follow this method. Make sure you have the relevant USB drivers for your Android device installed on your PC or laptop. If not, you can head over to your device manufacturer's website and download and install the latest official drivers on your device. After you've acquired your drivers, go to your browser and download the official ADB tools. Extract them to an easily accessible location on your PC. If you haven't enabled the developer options already, head over to the Software Information section under the About Phone option on your Settings app. Now tap on the build number details 7 times until you get the option to unlock the developer options. In my case, it is already turned on. You can now access the developer options. From there, navigate to the USB debugging option and then enable it. For a complete video of enabling developer option and USB debugging, you can visit on the link below. Now connect your Android device to your PC using your USB cable and make sure that the file transfer mode is selected. Open the folder where you had extracted the ADB tools file and then open a command prompt or a Windows PowerShell window at that location by holding the Shift key and then right-clicking on an empty space and selecting the Open the PowerShell window here option. Make sure your Android device is connected to your PC via USB and then type the command ADB devices on the command prompt. If this is your first time running ADB, you will see a prompt on your phone asking you to authorize a connection with the computer. Just tap on OK to proceed. Now type these commands one by one on the command prompt window. Type ADB devices, then press enter. Type ADB shell, then press enter. Then type PM list packages to list all the apps installed in your system. Alternatively, you can also easily find the package name of an installed system application by installing the App Inspector app on your phone. I prefer doing it this way so you know exactly what the app name is of the application that you are about to uninstall. To do this, just go to your Play Store and download and install the App Inspector app on your Android device. Open the app and then select the pre-installed app or the bloatware you want to uninstall from the list of installed apps on your device and then note down the package name of the app. In this case, the package name is com-microsoft.office.powerpoint. Then go back to Windows PowerShell, then type pm uninstall-k, --user 0, then the name of the package, which is com-microsoft.office.powerpoint, then press enter. Just after pressing enter, it will show success messages if you entered the correct package name. Note, be careful not to uninstall any essential apps, as it might affect the functionality of your device. If you are not sure what an app does, it is better not to uninstall the app. Once you have followed the steps in the above method, the app you have selected will be uninstalled and removed from your Android device. While it will not be available for use on your device, you can always install the app from the Google Play Store or by installing an APK on your device if you change your mind. The app will also be restored if you ever perform a factory reset on your device. This covers how to enable USB debugging mode on Android phones. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more great tutorials. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.